Depending on the configuration specified in the process model, the workflow engine presents work items to resources either in order of work item priority or date created. Hi, my name is Andreas Hense and this video is part of a series on resource patterns in YAWL. Today we talk about system-determined work queue content. The ability of the system to order the content and sequence in which work items are presented to a resource for execution. You can see the behavior in the following flash animation. System-determined work queue content. We have two users here, Susan and Erin, and they both have work lists. And the system can now order these work lists either by priority, high, medium, low, or by date ascending, as we can see here. In YAWL, we can implement this with a feature called documentation. There is a separate tutorial on how to build YAWL specifications using documentation, and I'll put a link to it in the description below. Let's now look at how the work queues look for Susan and Erin. So we start with the editor here on the top right. We have a workflow here that first sets the priorities of the task prepare defense, gather evidence, and submit review. And the priorities can be high, medium, or low. And then these work items here have this information in their documentation. And for this video, we have already started 3 cases and already executed the first task set priorities here. So we have now 9 work items here for the different tasks here in the middle. And the users are Susan and Erin here, as in the flash animation. And they both have the same work items now, and in the general case they are just ordered by the item here, the first column, in a lexicographical order. And now they can be ordered by documentation, and documentation comes from the specification. And if we click this column here, this is now ordered by priority, and we can do the same for the second user. We can also inverse the order here. And this information comes from the system and has been transported via the documentation feature. We have seen that the priority settings were specified in the process model and transported via the documentation feature in YAWL. This is the difference to resource-determined work queue content. This is the topic of the next video. Thank you for watching.